The raw material of EP foam sheet extrusion line is high-pressure polyethylene. It is fed into the extruder with the length to diameter is 55:1 by automatic loading equipment. The talcum powder is fed into the unloading equipment through the Italy double screw, and then enter into screw to plasticize. The anti-shrinking agent is injected into the spiral tube by TMS pump to mix with the raw materials. The function is to prevent the product shrinking. The liquid butane will be injected in the screw tube through the high-pressure butane pump to foam. After cooling by the screw tube, the plasticized blend materials will extrude out from the nose. After the product reaching the length customer requires, the meter counter will alarm automatically, and then change the roll, weigh, pack, and enter into warehouse.